If you are facing issues with Facebook Messenger not working properly after updating to iOS 17, then here are some quick solutions you can try. So let's get started. Firstly, restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can often fix many temporary issues. Press and hold the power button until slide to power off appears, then slide to power off and wait for your iPhone to power off completely. Then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. After that, ensure that your iPhone has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Messenger requires an active internet connection to work. After that, go to the App Store on your mobile device and tap on the search icon available in the bottom right corner. Then in search address bar, search for the Messenger and make sure you have the latest version of Facebook Messenger installed from the App Store. If there is an update tab available right next to the Messenger, then tap on the update and download the latest version. After you do all this, go to the Settings app on your mobile device, tap on the General, then tap on the iPhone storage and look for the Messenger app from the installed apps and tap on it. Then simply tap on the Offload app and reinstall the Messenger. It will delete all the cache or remove all the cache of the Messenger. After you do all this, go back to the settings again. Inside setting, in General, scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Resetting network settings can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.